Rhythm will echo all over the globe. This event is not only about making a world record and being placed in the Guinness Book, it is about heralding a new age where the rhythm of Odissi will reverberate across the globe. We follow the typical repertoire of Odissi, beginning with Mangalacharan, which is Namami, then Bhattu and Sthai, to be followed by Pallavi, Shankaravaranam Pallavi, and then Abhinaya, Dekho Go Radha Madhava Chali, and to be concluded with Moksha. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause, please, for all the dancers.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନୃତ୍ୟ ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଉଛି।